Hi everyone, Cindy De Silva here from Escalate IT Training. Here I have an email list of employees in a fake company. I want to take the first names and copy those into column B. I want to take the last names and copy those into column C. Once I have that information in, it will feed into the formulas that I have over here in column E so that I have an employee list in the format that I want. A quick and easy way to get this job done is to use flash fill, and here's how. I'll type the first of the first names and hit enter. The moment I start typing the next of the first names, it recognizes what I'm trying to do and it predicts and suggests the rest of the list. I hit enter, that list is done. I'll do the same thing for the last names. I'll type the first of the last names and hit enter, and the moment I start typing Banks, it recognizes, it suggests, I hit enter, and the job is done. This is Micro Mondays. I'll see you next week.